Always need to make sure it's plumb. Every drill hole should be the exact same plane. When you start on a rough surface like that, sometimes you gotta angle it until you get a start. Right? It's gonna chip away the stone until you get a flat enough surface that you can then position it to drill where you want without it skipping out of place. Right? If you just start anywhere, it's all over the place. You want to keep your drill bit from dancing away from you. More to go. Once I get these marked, then I can get stuff out of the way and just drill these. I'm going to alternate between two different bits so I don't overheat my bits. So every hole I drill, I'll probably swap bits. You want to keep your bits cool, otherwise you're going to end up replacing them a lot or chipping the carbide off or twisting them, especially if you're not very precise with your control. Right? If you start moving your hands or losing your position, then you're going to make the drill bit work harder. That's how people break their wrist. The drill spins away from them because it gets twisted in the hole. Right? So that's, safety is, make sure you're using a handle when you're using a hammer drill. And if you're not secure, the drill always wants to spin clockwise. So put something on the left side, brace the handle there. If you drill here, it can't get away from you because it'll lock onto your shin, right? So that's something you can do to be safe. But otherwise, you want to make sure your hands are always in a good position so that you can get away from it or stop it from twisting. You're going to have to knock away some of that stone.